Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change color background on Samsung phone. Alright guys, first of all, go to your phone application on your Samsung phone, and then you can click on this three dots button on the top right corner of your screen. Then you can select the settings option. Then since we want to change the color background, we can click on color background setting. Then select the SIM card that you want to change the background, and for me, I'm gonna go with SIM 2. Click on SIM 2. Then we can click on background right here, then select the background from your gallery. You can tap on this plus button, then just select the background, and for example, I'm going to select the background from this camera folder. Then I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and just wait for a moment. And if you want to use this photo as our call background, we just need to click on set as call background. Okay, and now the background has been applied. Alright guys, and that's how we can change call background on Samsung phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.